We're staying at the Yachtsman Hotel here in Maine. If my eyelashes are half on, you're just gonna have to forgive me because that's where we are today. So let's go ahead and see our room. So we are off to our first event of the weekend. I've got my Sperry's on. I'm excited, honey. Where am I supposed to be looking, child? I can't tell. Face beat. We ready. We in there. Let's go ahead and do it. A little bit of a lot to drink. It's actually video. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, this is Lauren. She helped organize this whole thing. Okay.
You guys are so lucky to follow Lisa. She's so fabulous. I'm a new follower.
Thank you. So we're gonna just walk around like the town and just go get something to eat, go back to the hotel, eat, sleep, have sex, and then that's it. Alrighty, it is day 2. Your girl is off for lunch, so just waiting for the husband to get himself together so we can get home. We are on a trolley headed to a, what are we doing? Craft making? We're making a craft?
Craft cocktails.
Craft cocktails. Craft cocktails, okay.
Yes.
Look at this little shed, okay? How cute is this? This is just like if people don't want to eat in the restaurant around other people, you can come and have a unique dining experience here. So, how cute is this? Oh, got it. Thank you. So we are here making our own cocktails here at Hidden Pond. Okay, so I don't know what it is exactly, but there are blueberries in it and
Egg whites.
Lemon juice and
Rosemary. Simple.
Rosemary simple. Good morning. I'm in the car with the crew. Hey crew.
Hey.
Hi. We're headed to somewhere for a photo shoot.
An unknown destination.
An unknown destination. The entire neighborhood is like nothing but mansions. Mansions, mansions, mansions. is a very sort of, I don't know, it's a weird experience because on one end you're like, it's beautiful, you're happy to be here, but you know, like you have this like sense of history and feeling like, you know, who built these houses. And just like that, we're off. It's over. It's over. It's over. We had an amazing time here in Maine, in Kennebunkport, Maine, Yachtsman, the candle shop, the hidden pond, just every place that we visited. The lobster boat, the entire experience was everything I needed, we needed. And just I would have never come here. I wouldn't have known about it. I wouldn't have experienced how the other half lives. So it was nice to have this experience, and Sperry really outdid themselves. And these shoes too. So yeah, thanks for indulging me and watching, and yeah, being with me on this experience. Ooh, 70 miles an hour speed limit, you know? Okay, Maine. Anyway, until next time.